Weight exercise I want to show you today is a bridge exercise. And the same concept we use with the plank. The wider base you have, the less work your core musculature is going to have to be to stabilize it. So Amanda's putting her arms out. The arms wider and the feet wider allow her to be very stable, and then I'm going to have her lift. Going up nice and high, we'll give a stretch across the front of the thighs. One of the things I always cue is don't let your back arch. Keep your stomach tight so that everything is a nice straight line. Now, to make this more challenging, she would bring her arms in. And you could do it right with your arms at your side. You could have your feet in to make a more narrow base. You could also cross your arms across your chest. There's a slightly bit more wobble involved there. The other thing you can do is put an exercise ball under your head and shoulders or under your feet. The final note I'd like to make is that the most narrow base you're going to do without an exercise ball is going to be to go single leg. Go ahead and go up. You can do planks as an endurance hold, or you can do them as repetitions up and down. Amanda did a very good job of keeping her pelvis level and not letting it drop. Amanda, I'm going to have you do a plank, a single leg bridge that's in a poor position. So go up. And she let it drop on that side. That would be a lack of stability through her core and not holding everything together. Another point I want to make with bridges is that people often have a cramp in their hamstring when they do this. There's a lot of factors that can cause a cramp, but some remedies you can do to still be able to do a bridge while you do this without cramping is to have your feet further out so that the muscle is not contracting in such a shortened position. The other cue I always try to have people do is, can you really mentally make sure that you are lifting from your gluteal muscles and not using your hamstrings as much. Try to keep them relaxed. And the same thing from your back muscles. Keep that stomach in tight so you're not overarching your back as much, and use the glutes to thrust the hips high, not arching the back high and not using the hamstrings as much.